Watch the arm. Clearing the path. How's the stack? Almost full. Keep it level on the edges. Got it. Almost done here. All right, lowering it now. Got it, ease it in. Perfect fit, lock it down. Looks solid. This one's ready, line it up. Got it, coming up. Good, secure the ends. How's the railing coming along? Almost done, just need to secure this post. All right, pass me the drill. Here you go, thanks. I'll get this secured. This one's ready. Got it. Keep them coming. All right, cabinets are secure.
Perfect. Ready for the top.
Countertops aligned, sink next.
Appliances set, cleaning up.
All done, looks amazing. All right, let's move fast.
Got it. I'll clear the boxes.
Bed frame's ready.
Perfect. Almost done.